It looks like same, but it's not the same. One is a Thai base and broke because due to long span bridge. The other one is a 7-star. You saw the old video. We covered it up. This is the Syton 7-star case, either the milling machine, which is chrome cover. This is a UCLA gold from the Zimmer, so cannot scan. So this is wax prototypes. We're building with a pattern, so we can casting that one. So one way, the old style, but here's a new style with these cases. 4 implants, so it's long span. And we make the thinnest possible for the frame design like this, right? So we can achieve these really good thickness. And this one is to finish the cases, the frame design, same as this. Okay, so it's the 8 implant, but one we're going to sleep, and the other one is real pack. The 4 implant is really suitable for the Syton 7-star instead of the Zirconia. And the other one is the fabricated now Zirconia coping top of that. So we make the 1x1 individual crowns for Zirconia. The other case is ready to go to scan. You see, long span. And here is the last case though. It's another upper. See the implants, long spans, really thin. That's their benefit. Now, so lucky to share with all Syton 7-star cases coming up. Case from the Michigan, Dr. Sharitha Uchil, ClearChoice in Florida, and the Dr. Dan Lafferty in New Mexico, Dr. Erik Svans from Arizona, and the other one, Dr. Niloufar Rezakhani from Florida. Case, this one top and bottoms full mouth Zirconia case was, and that one is a cracking between the teeth. From here, it is long span, but the patient would like to get the thinnest possible to lingual area, so we switch it with the 7-star case. Detailed design. Of course, we make it really thin as possible. And underneath, we're going to get the porcelain fused metal. This before after case. This is a framework. This is a Thai base with Zirconia. It's actually half type here. Okay. It's very thin. Now we applied another Syton 7-star case as thin as possible. Okay. Whenever I got this, and when we make the thickest possible is not a problem. The thin as possible, then it's an issue. Alright, this is top and bottom. It's metal ceramic with the zirconia restorations. It looks like same, but it's not the same. One is a Thai base and broke because due to long span bridge. The other one is a 7-star. You saw the old video. We covered it up. And now is the final cement and they're ready to send to doctor's office. The final restorations and matching the upper. So now we can deliver it to this Syton 7 stars. It's very thin. We don't have any problem in the future, so we'll make soft card for them. Anyway, that one is nice. Another alternations, finals, full mouth restoration. Thanks for watching my video.